Birth of the abyss. Vast, imposing masses of mystery drift silently through the fabric of space, unseen, unheard, yet overwhelmingly present. They bend reality itself. They stretch and distort time. They consume everything that dares to wander too close. For centuries, these objects existed only as ideas, as fragile equations etched into the margins of gravitational mathematics. They were predictions, unsettling and uncomfortable, hinting at places where logic begins to fracture. Many believed they were impossible. Some believed they were absurd. And yet today, they stand among the most fascinating, most terrifying, and most misunderstood entities in the known universe. These objects are black holes. For most of human history, black holes were nothing more than theoretical curiosities. They symbolized unanswered questions, the boundaries of human understanding, and regions where the laws of physics appeared to unravel completely. But that era is ending. Thanks to revolutionary instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity has begun to peel back the veil, to look closer than ever before, and to glimpse what lies near, and perhaps beyond, these cosmic abysses. To understand how we arrived here, we must journey backward in time, more than a century into the past. In 1916, Albert Einstein published his general theory of relativity, forever reshaping how we understand gravity. Gravity, he revealed, was not simply a force pulling objects together, but the result of mass and energy warping the fabric of space and time itself. Space could bend. Time could slow. Reality was no longer fixed. Hidden deep within Einstein's equations was a shocking implication. If enough mass were compressed into a small enough region, spacetime would curve so violently that nothing, not even light, could escape its grasp. Even Einstein himself doubted such objects could exist in the real universe. Many scientists dismissed the idea entirely. After all, how could nature possibly create something so extreme, so destructive, so final? For years, black holes remained mathematical ghosts. Until the universe itself decided to speak. In the late 1960s, astronomers studying a powerful and mysterious X-ray source in the constellation Cygnus made a startling discovery. The object, later named Cygnus X1, appeared to be a massive blue star locked in a tight orbital dance around something unseen. This invisible companion emitted no light, no glow, no reflection. And yet, its gravitational pull was immense. Matter from the visible star was being torn away, ripped into a swirling disk, heated to millions of degrees as it spiraled inward, releasing torrents of X-rays into space. There was no alternative explanation. The unseen object was a black hole. For the first time, humanity had compelling evidence that black holes were real. Not equations. Not abstractions. But physical objects existing in the universe. From that moment on, black hole research accelerated dramatically. Astronomers soon realized that black holes come in many forms and sizes. From stellar mass black holes born from collapsing stars, to supermassive black holes millions or billions of times the mass of the Sun, lurking at the centers of galaxies. Today, scientists estimate that the Milky Way alone may contain millions, perhaps tens of millions, of black holes. Most remain unseen. Silent. Hidden. Revealing themselves only. But what exactly is a black hole? At its core, a black hole is a region of space where matter has collapsed to an almost unimaginable density. According to our current understanding, all of that mass is compressed into an infinitesimally small point known as a singularity. A place where density becomes infinite. Where our equations stop working. Surrounding the singularity is a boundary called the event horizon, the ultimate point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, escape becomes impossible. Not particles, Not energy. Not even light itself. Despite popular myths, black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners, roaming the universe and devouring everything in their path. From a safe distance, their gravity behaves just like that of any other object with the same mass. If our Sun were replaced by a black hole of equal mass, Earth would continue its orbit almost unchanged. The true danger exists only up close. If a human were to fall toward a black hole, the experience would be beyond violent, beyond survivable. Immense gravitational differences would stretch the body lengthwise and compress it sideways in a process known as spaghettification. Bones would fail. Atoms would separate. Near the event horizon, tidal forces would become absolute. Time itself would slow dramatically, appearing nearly frozen to an outside observer. And then, the crossing. Beyond the event horizon, our understanding collapses entirely. Inside a black hole, general relativity predicts infinite density and infinite curvature of spacetime. These infinities are warning signs. They tell us our theories are incomplete. That something deeper, more fundamental, waits beneath the surface. For decades, black holes remained invisible. Until 2019. That year, scientists unveiled the first ever image of a black hole's shadow, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. The target was the supermassive black hole at the heart of galaxy M87, 55 million light-years away. The image revealed a glowing ring of superheated plasma surrounding a dark center, the silhouette of the event horizon itself. A prediction made real. Further observations showed that black holes are not simple. They are surrounded by chaotic seas of plasma, intense magnetic fields, and colossal jets that hurl matter across intergalactic space at nearly the speed of light. Yet one question still dominates them all. What lies inside a black hole? No probe can enter and return. No signal can escape. Our answers must come from theory, from indirect clues, and from mathematics pushed to its limits. Some theories suggest the singularity is not truly infinite, but a transition into an entirely new state of spacetime. Others propose that black holes may contain wormholes, bridges connecting distant regions of space, or even separate universes. Another idea suggests that black holes store information on their event horizons, hinting at a holographic universe where nothing is ever truly lost. Even more radical ideas exist. Some physicists argue that black holes are flaws in reality itself, tears in spacetime where the rules collapse. Others believe they are exotic objects that only mimic black holes, avoiding true singularities altogether. None of these ideas have been proven. What we do know is this. Black holes are not merely destroyers. They shape galaxies. They regulate star formation. They sculpt the universe on the largest scales imaginable. Without them, the cosmos we inhabit might look nothing like it does today. The James Webb Space Telescope now studies black holes in unprecedented detail, how they grow, how they feed, how they shaped the early universe. Each discovery brings clarity and deeper mystery. Black holes remain the ultimate paradox. Objects defined by what we cannot see. Known by what they hide. They are both the end of matter and the frontier of knowledge. And as humanity pushes deeper into the cosmos, black holes continue to challenge everything we believe we understand about space, time, and reality itself. Perhaps one day, we will uncover what truly lies beyond the event horizon. Until then, black holes remain, silent sentinels of the unknown. Watching.